Technology, innovation, high performance, principles inspiring a different perspective of the world, products that have changed the perception of what's possible. A story that began 40 years ago, made up of challenges and constant victories, always raising the bar of quality, defying the boundaries of technology and design. Two brothers, two souls, great goals, creating an organization, a benchmark for technology and quality choices. The will to move the world, open up to new horizons of automation and innovation. Targets achieved thanks to the qualities of the products, to ideas born to push the limits, to teamwork and cooperation, to interaction among so many professional skills. From Italy, from a made in Italy full of pride and passion to go further, without forgetting product quality and manufacturing processes. A group made great by the strength of each individual part, as the fruit of continuous product testing and technology-based decisions, because the results cannot be merely reachable. New brands created to meet different markets and targets. Working together to create the products which are the fruit of bringing together technologies and of knowledge interaction. A job of debate and discussion. A team of mechanic and electronic engineers who can match technological innovation with the craftsman's wisdom. A commitment to research and development, which has allowed the Benincá Group to anticipate demands, resolve complexities, and create new quality standards, producing and selling worldwide to specialists. An all-Italian success that takes the culture of innovation, of know-how, and reliability out to the world. Values found in each product, in every single component. Valued by efficient planning. Created to meet needs with precision and effectiveness. Different skills, all with the same goal. Sharing skills, becoming these specialists in a world of specialists. Benincá Group, moving your world.